Okay, hello guys, I'll be doing some sums over the next few weeks. Please don't use this as a study material. Use this only as reference material. Any equation used in this video is purely coincidental.
Coordinate geometry is mainly going to be dealing with axes, okay, and then like this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and let's just say there are a few points, okay. I'm gonna draw a line. Okay, coordinate geometry is gonna be dealing with the position of this point and then the distance between these points, and also the ratio in which this point cuts the line, this line. Okay, it's mainly gonna be dealing with that. The only formulas you're gonna be using in this chapter are gonna be your distance formula. Distance, that is the distance between 2 points. Let's say the distance between x1 y1 and x2 y2. Your distance between that is gonna be equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is your distance. Then comes the section formula. Okay, this is, let's just say a point P divides the point AB. This is your AB, this is P, okay, and this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Let's just say this point divides the line in the ratio m is to n. Then the coordinates of P are going to be equal to mx2 plus nx1 x1 divided by m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is gonna be the coordinates of this right here. Okay, next is gonna be area of triangle. Okay, this is gonna be equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, and then the whole stuff is in a bracket, all steps in a bracket. Okay, now the triangle's gonna be looking something like this, where this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Now if you remember all three formulas, you're good to go. You're actually good to go. You'll get approximately, I don't know, 90% of this chapter is almost covered if you know all three formulas. Okay, now we're gonna be doing some questions. Okay, this is question number 6 in exercise 7.1. Your first question is this. Your figure should look something like this. Just draw a random quadrilateral, okay, and then start naming it. Okay, okay, let this be A, B, C and D respectively. Now let's try finding the distance for AD. AD will be equal to minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8, and DC is equal to minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 4 equal to root 8. Now BC is equal to 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. Now AB is also equal to root of minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 4 equal to root 8. Okay, now I'm just doing x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, okay, just in case you guys don't understand what I'm talking about. See, minus 1 minus minus 3, which makes it minus 1 plus 3 whole square. Okay, I'm just putting the value straight to the formula, just substituting it straight to the formula. Okay, this is, oh yeah, you guys have to write units, otherwise they're gonna cut marks for that stuff. Okay, units. Okay, now we see that everything has the same. Okay, now this, okay, sorry guys, this is root 8. Okay, in case you guys can't see. Okay, this is root 8. So now we see that the distance is always root 8. Now it's a type of a quadrilateral in which the sides are all equal, which is that? Yes, that's a square. Nice. Okay, now if you get 0 for any of these distances, that means it is a triangle. If you get 2 zeros, that means it's just a straight line. Okay, now for the second question, you get different values for different sides, which basically means it just forms a regular quadrilateral. It does not form any particular special quadrilateral. For the third question, if you just substitute the same values like I did for the first sub part, then you must be getting two opposite sides as equal, which basically means it's a parallelogram. This is question number 6 in exercise 7.2. Okay, now let's read that question. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Okay, fine, let's draw a parallelogram right here. Okay, that's a nice and cute parallelogram. Now let's just name them A, B, C and D. And A is 1, 2, B is 4, y, C is x, 6 and D is 3, 5. Let's just draw the diagonals also. Okay. Now we know that for a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. What does bisect mean? It means that this side and this side is equal, and this side is also equal. So we can use the midpoint formula to find the coordinates of O, because now this is this, so it cuts in the ratio 1:1. So now we can put it in our section formula to get this. O gives 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. Now you can substitute the values over here also for this diagonal, because these two are also equal and cuts in the ratio 1:1. Now if you put that, you will be getting 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Now these two are equal and these two are also equal. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. Cancel that. That means 1 plus x is equal to 7, x is equal to 6. Voila. Now what? This is also equal, which basically means 8 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Okay, now let's just cancel the 2 out, and then you get y is equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Voila. This is question number 3 in exercise 7.3. Okay, now we have to find the area of the triangle from my... Okay, let's just do this. First we draw the triangle. Now that we made our triangle fabulous, so now we can start working. Now we are going to use the formula area is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, we're going to be using this formula. Now that is the area of triangle DEF is going to be equal to half into 0. Let's just say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Okay, so y2 minus y3, that is 0 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0. Okay, now this should give you 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 square unit. Okay, now we're gonna find the area of the bigger triangle. Okay, let this be x1 y1, let this be x2 y2, let this be x3 y3. Now we can plot it as half into x1. What's your x1? 0 into y2 minus y3, that is 1 minus 3. Doesn't matter, it's gonna get cancelled. Booyah. Okay, now x2 into y3 minus y1, that is 3 minus y1, that is like plus 1, and then plus 0 into 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is gonna be equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. Now when you take the ratio, it's gonna be area of DEF divided by area of ABC. It's gonna give you 1:4. 1:4.